Actually, these might be really good to look at too. Oh man, okay. Well, anyway, what I like to do, and this is sort of what we cover in level 2, so I don't really want to get too detailed into this. But I like to look at the old reports. Platinum, silver, gold, copper. I'm sure you guys are having fun. So. It's a holiday today too, right? So it's relatively quiet. We can talk Bitcoin. Euro. Where are you? Hey, Bitcoin. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay. So non-commercial, commercials, total, non-reporting. So non-commercials, those are your large institutions. They facilitate the trade for the commercials. Here are the commercials. They are industry. People actually use this stuff. They're usually taking the exact opposite side of whatever they think the trend is, simply because their job is to remove price risk for their customers and convert it into basis risk, which is extremely complicated. And even after like 2 full sessions explaining the futures industry to students, even then, a lot of students are still like, I don't get it. So I'm certainly not going to try and go in and explain the rationale and the way hedgers work. Just trust me. Commercials, they take the opposite side of the trade. So you can see right now, long, short. They're long 141 contracts. They're short 958 contracts. So who can tell me which direction is this market going? Actually, that's a fascinating tell right there. Mike says up. Yeah, what I said earlier, the commercials take the opposite side of the market, and they are heavily, they're short, almost like, about a 4-to-1 ratio? So I'd say market's heading up here. That's pretty powerful information, folks, right there. Non-commercials. These are the Goldman Sachs's, Joey Diamonds. They because they facilitate the trade for the commercials, and the commercials don't really want to make money. In fact, they actually want to lose money on their trades, and that means by definition the institutions have to make money. And which way are the institutions pointed right now? Are they net long or net short? Yeah. Wow, Mike, you're killing it. Sean, you keeping up here? So, point of the matter here is, and I hate to say it, but I think that's almost tweet worthy. And actually, it might be interesting to juxtapose the micros as well, see if that actually corresponds. He's going to do a little bit of research on this and probably put a tweet out to this effect. So this is interesting. That information right there. What is that telling us? And actually, when people do take the level 2 program, I even show you how I would do this in crude oil years and years ago. Every single week. This was basically my job. So interesting information there. Now let's go see if these micro contracts align. Who can tell me from the commercials perspective? Or no, well, okay, let's start. From the commercials perspective, are the commercials net long or net short the micro contracts? Short, good. So which way is the Bitcoin price going? Hey, what do you think? Nuri's like, Jesus. I think we got Nuri. Nuri's gonna sign up for our religion. All right, so I mean, gee whiz, that's a pretty damn powerful message. Now let's finish off this thought. Based on the fact that the institutions have no choice, they have to take the right side of the trade, bastards. Which way is the institutions tilted right now? Are they tilted long or are they tilted short? Long. So which way do you think the price is going? It's pretty startling. Now, here's the coup de grace, the icing on the cake. What do the public usually do? Do the public usually make money, or do the public usually lose money in this game called trading? They lose money. Now, who can tell me what is the net position of the non-reportables? Who are the non-reportables? That is you and me, the public. We don't have to report our commitments of positions. And what are they right now? Are they net long or are they net short? It's not a huge number. So that aligns with our thinking. Smart money makes money. Commercials, everybody's properly hedged. Public loses money. Business as usual. This is interesting, though. So on the micro contracts, the non-reportables are still technically longer than shorter. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean we have to have like one more FU move or something just to break their wills? I don't know. You can see, look at the amount of shorts building here and look at the longs coming off. It's almost like we need some sort of capitulation event to break their spirit and bring this in line. But having said that, I wouldn't call that a game changer. I mean, that can change for a number of different reasons. This information here, especially this, that's insane. 4,700 contracts short and only 80 contracts long. And this is quote unquote the smart money. They always do the exact opposite of whatever the trend is going to be. Wow, that's huge. So we're getting a pretty powerful message from the Commitments of Traders reports here.